Sahana. I'm from Chitradurga. I have completed my graduation in Government Engineering College, Carpet in the year of 2022. I have joined this QSpider in the month of August 8th, and I would like to thank all the faculties and the HRs, and special thanks to Maria ma'am, where she suggested more, and where the QSpider will be the very good institute to improve the knowledge. I suggest all to join QSpiders Hebbal Branch, where the faculties are very friendly with the students, so the students can clear all the doubts, where they will give the good knowledge, which will helps to clear our interview. And don't miss the grooming classes. Please attend the grooming classes, where we can improve our knowledge to clear the interview. That's all. Thank you, QSpiders Hebbal Branch.